Today in this video we are going to do a quick technical analysis on SOUN stock, but before starting our video I want to tell you many members are joining our Telegram channel where I provide swing trading stocks with proper SL and target. So if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, link will be given in the description box. Here you have clearly seen that SOUN stock was traded near about $4.8, and if you thinking to buy this stock at this price, then I don't recommend you that you have to buy this stock at this price. If you want to buy this stock, then I will recommend you that you have to wait until this stock reaches near about $3.5, because you can clearly see that after reaching $3.5 this stock try to take support from that level, and after taking the support every time this stock try to bounce back. So those who want to buy this stock, then you have to wait until this stock reaches near about $3.5. You can buy it over here and by putting your stop loss at the price of $3. Those who have already bought this stock, I will recommend you that you have to book your profit at the price of $6, because you can clearly see that after reaching $6 every time this stock face resistance from that level, and after facing the resistance every time this stock came down. So I hope you really liked our video. If you like our video, hit the subscribe button, and if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, link will be given in the description box. I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.